Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this simple looking landing page using HTML and CSS. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So first thing first, let's make a new folder on desktop that is Rhino, and these are the images we are going to use. This is the Nat Geo logo here. And this is the image we're gonna use. I added this O in the background using Photoshop. If you wanna know how I edited this, write down in the comment section below. So let's copy the image folder from there and let's paste it here. Let's open Atom text editor, cancel out all those tabs and add the project folder here, which is this one. Now make a new file that is index.html. Now make a new folder here that is CSS. Inside CSS we'll make a new file that is styles.css. Alright, now let's go to browser and search for Bootstrap starter template. Click on this result, copy the starter template from here and paste it here. Save it, remove the title and make it Rhino, and let's remove this h1 from here. I'm gonna add the link here which gonna link our CSS styles to it. CSS styles.css. Okay, add the comment here as custom CSS, hit enter, comment it out as Google Fonts. I'm gonna open a new tab and gonna search for Google Fonts. Click on the first result, search for Anton, select this one list style available. Now gonna search for another font that is Libre Caslon text. Select this bold 700. Okay, I'm gonna search for Montserrat. Select this extra like 200. Okay, click on the embed and copy this link from here and paste it here. So now let's go to our body tag and let's copy this basic neighbor from Bootstrap from the component section and gonna delete this background dash light and I will copy this neighbor dash brand. I will cut this neighbor dash brand and will paste it at the last. I'm gonna change all the names. Amazon and the last one will be okay. I'm not gonna change this neighbor dash brand. Okay, cut this out. Copy second last one and paste it for a number of times. After Congo, make it Valdivian, and I'm really sorry if I'm spelling that wrong because I don't know much about animals. So yeah, Sundarbans, and this all are forest name. And the first one will make it forest one. I'm gonna add. Okay, let's cut this out from here. Add this to neighbor item, make it forest one and forest. Copy this forest and paste it in each neighbor item available on the neighbor except the neighbor dash brand. Gonna link the Nat Geo image here, image source image slash natgeo.jpg. Alright, the width will be, let's keep it cancel it out. The width will be 120 pixels. Double inverted commas here, and gonna go after the name and make a new header tag here. Inside it will make a new div rhino class image tag, which is a source images slash rhino2.png, which will be the background image, which is class rhino dash image. Okay, gonna make a new div after this div ends, which is class rhino dash class. Okay, we have this rhino dash class. We'll only add h1 to it, which is class kill. Just gonna write some text here, inserting some line breaks here. Insert h3, which is class animals. Gain text to cancel out this h1 text animals. Alright, then I add this para tag here, which is class eat. Make sure the first letter of each word is capital. Insert some line breaks at proper positions. Alright, you don't eat. I'm gonna add h4 here, which is class wrong. Write it all caps, here is y. Add a line break here. You are wrong. Okay, let's make it wrong. Okay, gonna add an anchor tag here, which is class anchor dash play. Okay, now gonna paste some YouTube link here, YouTube video link here, which is basically of NetGeo channel from the YouTube. And gonna add a tag here. Wait a minute, it's fucking me up. So yeah, I forgot to add this font awesome CDN. Let's copy this out from here. Copy this HTML one and paste it here. Made it font awesome CDN. And so let's insert okay, we're not gonna write this play button here. Just let's visit fontawesome.com, font awesome, and click on the first result. Search for, let's have a bar play. Okay, play. Select this first icon. I'm gonna copy this from here. Make sure you remove that FAS from that FAS, because it doesn't work in some browsers. And for add para tag here, which the text gonna show is play video, and the class will be video dash level. So we are going with our HTML. So now let's move to our CSS. Let's access our body tag here. Background color will be #000, which is black color. Gonna add navbar here. Okay, only navbar. Z index will be 5 to the topmost layer, and gonna access the navbar dash brand. Margin that will be 100 pixels. This is the navbar class here, and this is the navbar dash brand here. Okay, let's make it navbar brand. Typo errors, and gonna access the rhino dash class, which contains the rhino image here. Curly braces, position relative, width will be 100 view width. Okay, let's cancel this out, we don't need it. So now let's access the forest. Margin left will be 20 pixels. The forest is basically each and every nav link. I'm gonna access the forest one, which is the first nav link here. I'm gonna add margin left to it, that is 120 pixels. Gonna access the background image here, which is rhino dash img, and the height will be auto. width will be inherited, position will be absolute, from top it will be 4 rem, from left it will be 9 rem. Okay, transform it will scale it by 1.4. Okay, so now let's access dot class dot kill, position will be absolute, right will be 11 rem, font size, let's keep our font size to 75 pixels, and font family will be Rebrecastlon text, and the default one will be serif. Color will be hashtag FFF, line height will be 90 pixels. Okay, so now let's access animals, which is text animals, font size will be 40 pixels, position will be absolute, from right it will be 14.8 rem, from top it will be 17 rem, font family will be Rebrecastlon text, and the default one will be serif. Color will be hashtag FFF, which is white color, and dot E, position will be absolute, from right it will be 13.3 rem, font family will be Montserrat, and the default property, default font will be sans serif, and font size will be 20 pixels, from top it will be 21 rem, color will be white, and the opacity will be 1. Okay, so let's access this wrong class. Gonna write it here, position will be absolute, from right it will be 1, or let's give it 15 rem, font family will be Anton, and the default one will be sans serif, font size will be 30 pixels, and from top it should be 28 rem, color will be, let's skip the color to white, and the opacity will be 1. Letter spacing will be 2 pixels, that is the space between each and every letter on the screen. So and let's access the anchor dash play, which is basically the icon. From font awesome, from top it should be 35 rem, from left it should be 60 rem. Border radius should be 50 pixels because we want the button to be circular, which should be 45 pixels, and the border should be 1 pixel black solid. Box shadow will be 0, 31 pixels, 9 pixels, and we're gonna add RGB here. First will be 237, 232, and 237, and the background color will be, let's give it white. Okay, so now let's access the play, which is play video, and transform it. We'll translate it 3D, that is 180 pixels on, okay, 18 pixels on the x-axis, 10 pixels on the y. Now let's access the video dash label, position will be absolute, z index will be 2, from top it should be 35.5 rem, and from left it should be 64.5 rem, color will be white, font family will be Montserrat, and the default one will be sans serif. So the font size will be 20 pixels. So let's save it, and we'll copy the full path from here. See, here we got what we wanted, and it's looking absolutely epic. And got this Bootstrap navbar here and a button here. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys.